Hey guys, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have the NRG fitted pedal covers for the Polaris Slingshot. NRG is generally known for making universal aftermarket products that fit multiple applications. We've been fortunate enough to team up with NRG to bring you these pedal pads designed specifically for the Polaris Slingshot and available exclusively at Slingmods.com. These pedal pads, or pedal covers as some people call them, are a direct bolt-on mod and include all necessary hardware for a seamless installation. These covers are made from a lightweight aluminum and are available in a variety of different anodized colors to complement your Slingshot's color profile. To add an element of safety, NRG has finished off each pedal cover with a durable rubber insert that will provide your feet with grip even during wet driving conditions. Although you do need to be somewhat of a contortionist to get your body down into the Slingshot's footwell area, this install is straightforward. Now let's get started. Start by loosely screwing in your NRG gas pedal using the 10mm nylon lock nut and 4mm Allen bolt included in the kit. Once all four are on, you can go through and start tightening down the two on the right.
Now, due to the design of the gas pedal, I couldn't find a wrench small enough to fit inside the opening, but I was able to wedge a large flathead screwdriver in there to prevent the nut from spinning while I tightened down the two Allens on the left.
Now, both the brake pedal and clutch pedal are pre-threaded, so installation on these two pedal pads is quite easy and requires you simply to thread in the included bolts and snug them down. And finally go through and tighten down all your hardware. A few quick stretches and a couple bolts later, you've got yourself a beautiful new set of NRG pedal covers. Now keep in mind, these aren't just for looks. We've actually had customers reach out to us just to say how grateful they are for the additional foot grip these pedal pads provide. So if you're looking to spice up your footwell and add both form and function, just visit Slingmods.com today to pick up a set for yourself. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all the latest and greatest product releases for the Polaris Slingshot. I'm Brandon signing out. Until next time.